Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you or teach you how to get live access on TikTok using your mobile device. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. First of all, if you're using your Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. Now, click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen and choose Settings and Privacy. Now you want to scroll down until you see Report a Problem. And now here, you want to scroll down. Wait, I'm just gonna find the live section, okay? So let me try it again. So I'm sorry about that. Oh, there is. So I'm sorry. There's this live section. So just go ahead and click on the live section. Now you can choose either live is suspended or I cannot start a live, okay? So I'm just gonna go ahead and click on my live is suspended. Now here it says that TikTok is committed to maintaining a safe and positive live experience and reserves the right to suspend accounts that violate our community guideline. So there is a question, right? Is your problem resolved? So just go ahead and click on no and click need more help. So now here you can just go ahead and type your problem. So for example, you want to get live access on TikTok, so just go ahead and type that right here. Okay, so once you've done that, just go ahead and submit it by clicking the submit button at the lower part of your screen. Okay, and that should help you to get live access on TikTok. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you on the next one and have a great day.